Hi, I just redid our closet, our little walk-in closet, and it feels so much bigger. It's so much more organized and just so much more fun to be in, to pick out your clothes for the day. So I'll show you all the different things I did, and maybe you'll pick up some tips and tricks that will help you out in your closet. First, we have his side, and then we have her side. So we'll start with my side. I have shoes all on the top. I have my coats, long sleeve like pullover shirts, kimono type things, vests. And then down here I have my long sleeve shirts, short sleeve tank tops, and then more crop toppy short sleeve and tank tops. I have a shelf here with my hoodies and jeans. And then under here, I built this shelf with these IKEA drawers that are on casters with just clothes I don't wear very often, stored down here. Over here, I have my jean shorts on S hooks. It's just takes up hardly any space, and it's so easy for me to put them away, take them out, see what I've got. This is my cami holder. So it keeps everything from being all wrinkly and helps me to see easily what I've got when I need like a white cami or black cami to wear under something. I've got some maxi dresses back here, and this is long dress pants that I don't want to put in a drawer because they'd be all wrinkly. The most exciting part is back here. We've got my winter boots, which I hardly ever wear because it's Texas. We've got our bag to pack things in, my baseball hats, extra purses, winter scarves, fun little lightweight scarves. And then we have this, it's a tie butler that I have all my necklaces on. So fun. I could easily see everything. Helps me wear them more often. Love it. Here you can see the trays that I have my statement necklaces in. The glass shelf over the top, sunglasses and all that fun stuff, and then my drawer clothes. We've got his bulky hoodies, the shelf for those up here. We've got these pull-out pants hangers from IKEA that fit all of his work pants without getting them wrinkly. Here we have all of his belts and ties back here with a spot for him to put all of his stuff that's ready to go to the dry cleaner. He's got all of his accessories in these nice trays. There's another tray full. And then all of this extra stuff. And his baseball hats. Up here we've got his suit coats and dress shirts. And then all of his shoes up top. This dresser keeps all of his folded clothes, and it's just the right size that he needs. So the other part that you might have noticed is this ladder, which I built. I can't believe it, but it really wasn't that hard. And we're shorties, so we need to be able to easily get to the top shelves. And having a step stool in here, one, wouldn't be tall enough probably. Two, would get in the way all the time, so I just wanted something small, lightweight. You can move it anywhere easily. It just hooks over the top of that rod to stay in place, and then you can move it anywhere and get to anything really easily. So I hope you liked the closet tour. I hope you got some clever ideas for your closet that will make it feel so much bigger, more organized, and just more fun.